Hey guys, it's Kim, and I am on Chapter 2 discussion, and I noticed that 6 of you have already posted a graph or an image of a graph, and you've talked about the type of data it is. And this week you also are supposed to record a 30-second response to another student posting that discusses the graph. And I'm going to use Screencast-O-Matic because it's a free program, it's pretty easy to use, and I'm going to walk you through that. So I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now, but I'm going to open another browser. And I'm going to go to screencast-o-matic.com, and then you can just sign up. It's free. You can also click here, Start Recording for free. If I click Start Recording for free and launch Free Recorder, let's see if it'll do it, because I already have one up. It should launch it, and it should show you, see this red box right here? That's going to show you the area of your screen. So I can make it smaller or larger. It's not letting me do it. Click Allow or OK if prompted. It's taking a long time. Oh, download launcher. And here it is, Install Screen Recorder. And once you click that, you're going to be able to make the video. I'm going to go back to where we were. So if I was a student, I would start Screencast-O-Matic, and I would say, hey guys, I am going to review Megan Rafferty's post, which is a bar graph. And this is data showing how many people went to visit the said park through many years. And this is kind of interesting because while the data is years, which are numbers, they're also categories in this case. Because it's a bar graph, it's categorical data, and it looks like 20,000 went to this park in 1995, 60,000 in 1997, 35,000 in 1999, and so this bar graph shows an increase and then a decrease.